Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Chats with Chaudhry. I hope you're safe and well. I'm delighted today to be joined by Vivek Sharma, who's CEO of Adare Pharma Solutions. And today we're going to be talking about Adare's recent acquisition of Frontida Biopharm, which went through early this month. So, Vivek, it's lovely to see you. How are you?
I'm good. Good, Rizwan. Good to see you.
Well, it's lovely to see you. In fact, the last time you and I saw each other in person, actually, was in Milan a few weeks ago. So how was CPHI Milano for you?
CPHI was very exciting under the circumstances it could be. We know that it was a limited CPHI, but despite that, we had a great booth. We had a great and very excited team that was welcoming customers. And honestly, we had a great traction with customers. And as you know, we have a site in Italy, and we had several customers who visited our site. We had a great event at the Dormo, and we can't be more excited. So very excited, very good outcome, very appreciative of everybody's effort, and good CPHI.
Fantastic. I'm glad to hear it. Now, for those who are not familiar with Adare, would you mind, before we start talking about the acquisition, give us a quick overview of the business?
Yeah, Adare is a global CDMO with focus on oral solid technology. We are a technology-driven CDMO where our taste masking, controlled release capabilities around the world actually make us as a very unique company. We pride ourselves with having R&D capabilities, manufacturing capabilities in North America and Europe. And we also have a technology platform that works on long-lasting injectable release. So very excited with what we had at Adare, and now with the changes, even more excited.
Yeah, well, actually, it's interesting you should say that, because when we caught up in Milan, you did hint that there were some acquisitions in the pipeline. So let's talk about the most recent acquisition. Why did Adare acquire Frontida Biopharm?
Yeah, so Adare is a technology-driven CDMO, got acquired by two private equities last year. And our investment thesis was to continue to build on the technology platform that we have so that we can serve more customers and patients. The way we look at business is that there is a big need for solving complex problems that patients face with either new drug or with enhancing the capabilities of existing drugs. And while we have been doing it, but there's a lot more we can do. And as part of that investment thesis, we had identified certain areas where we would like to invest organically or inorganically to grow our capabilities. One of them was high potency, which we needed. Plus, we need broader R&D capabilities. And Adare actually suited us with that. They have a high potency capability. They have a manufacturing capability, as well as they have a very large R&D pipeline and capability. So we are very excited with what we got with Frontida. And in addition, we also have packaging there, which was actually a bonus for us because now it allows us to offer end-to-end capabilities to our customers, including high potency and packaging.
Right. So I mean, for those not familiar with Frontida, though, so how long have they been going? And so what's their sort of? You mentioned some of the capabilities, but what's their sort of reputation in the marketplace?
Yeah, so this is a company that has grown and evolved, through some large pharma plants in the past. But the company itself, Frontida, has been there for about 4.5, 5 years. They started as a CDMO around 5 years ago and has built the capabilities and a reputation for solving complex problems. They have invested into capabilities by adding, high potency into their plants, and then building a great R&D team. Their customer portfolio and the customers they serve are very exciting for us. And we see a huge potential together now, working with the Frontida team as one team to solve more complex problems, to serve more customers and more patients.
Right. So building on that, so what are the newly combined organization capabilities then for Adare?
I think the biggest thing is that we have a much broader talent and a much larger talent. These are all people businesses, I call them, right? So we are very proud that we have now been joined by a team of additional, 200 plus team members. About 60 of them are scientists working on several projects that are key to our growth, right? So that's the most exciting part. People create solutions, people create services, and that's what we are really excited. Secondly, the high potency capabilities of high use for us. We have several customers who are looking for solving complex problems, and we needed high potency, so we got that. We also have packaging now. So with the acquisition of Frontida, we can offer end-to-end capabilities to our customers. So we can take a molecule from very early stage, do very preclinical phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, commercial manufacturing, packaging, logistics support, and we can provide an end-to-end solution to our customers. And this one, what is exciting is we have 2 very large plants in North America, in 2 different geographies within North America. We have a plant in Italy. So we can offer multiple support to the customers. If they're looking for dual supplier strategy, we can offer them within North America 2 sources of supply. If they're looking for global dual sourcing strategy, we can offer them between Italy, Europe, as well as between North America. And our plants are very identical in nature. Some capabilities, are not in other places, but in general, we can offer a lot of these services from either of the plants. So what now it provides us an opportunity to offer options to the customer and become more customer centric. So based on their need, their geographical criteria, their preference, we can serve the customer best.
Well, that's obviously the ultimate solution and the ultimate goal for all businesses, isn't it, to make sure they do that. So looking ahead, though, what's in the future for Adare now that you've got Frontida in the fold?
Yeah, so it's exciting. We'll continue on our investment thesis. We'll continue on our customer-centric thesis, where we want to serve more and more customers with the broader team now, with the capabilities that we have. We have ability to serve more customers. So you will see us being more aggressive in market, demonstrating our capabilities and convincing customers that we can solve their complex problems. So we need to grow organically, which we are committed to. In addition to that, we are going to look for more acquisitions. We want to be a premier technology-driven CDMO. So while we are looking at some things we can do more internally, but we are aggressively continuing the inorganic path to add more capabilities to our portfolio, which will allow us to be a premier technology-driven CDMO.
Yeah, and are you able to reveal what sort of areas you're looking at, or is that still top secret?
No, I mean, listen, there is only so many things you can do in this space, right? So one of the things that we do very well is early stage injectable. So we have injectable R&D, but we don't have commercial injectable capabilities, right? So that's one area that we are, aggressively pursuing in organic versus inorganic. But there may be other technologies that fit us, as they become available, we will look at. But we will remain a technology-driven CDMO, so we can serve our customers through the technology solutions and the talent that we have.
Well, Vivek, thank you very much for giving me that quick update on the acquisition and the future developments of Adare. It's been lovely to see you again. I hope you have a fantastic end to the year. It's always a busy period this time where everyone's trying to finalize various things for year end. So I wish you and your family and everyone at Adare a fantastic festive season. As I would say to everyone, a wonderful, happy and healthy festive season and new year. And hopefully we can catch up in person in the not too distant future.
Thank you, Rizwan. Pleasure talking to you, and the same to you and family as well. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. And viewers, there you go. There's a bit of background in the recent acquisition that Adare have done and a bit of an overview on Adare as a business. If you'd like to know more, you can check more details out at the Adare website, which is adare.com, if I remember correctly, Vivek. And obviously, you can get in touch with Vivek directly, actually, on LinkedIn as well, because he is active on LinkedIn himself. So until next time, as always, thanks once again to Vivek, and thank you for watching, and have a wonderful festive season, New Year. And I look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.